Introducing AI Vision with camera. The new upgrade AI Cam Vision. With a programmable controller and drag-and-drop coding for AI and ML. You can plug it anywhere to build projects, like a fun remote control car with camera video stream. Face recognition, object detection, computer vision, or a spy car, or monitor your favorite pet. Your imagination is unlimited, and so is the new Witblox AI Cam Vision.